If you want to be serious about changing the world, it requires a little work, a lot of work. And it requires being out there, organising and educating the people, you know. If you know, don't think about anything else in the short term. Don't think about selling your house or whatever to give them proceeds to blackfellas. Don't waste your time with bullshit gestures like that. Go out and find, to the gubs here, of whom are in the majority today, I'll address this to you. If you really want to do something constructive, go out and find yourself a racist. Won't be too difficult. Don't think you'll have a problem. All you've got to do is assemble a close-knit group of your closest friends. You'll find your racist. If that don't work, if somehow or other by some stroke of luck you can't find your racist amongst your friends, don't worry folks, don't panic. Just go home. Go home to the dinner table and mention the word Aborigines and see what happens. You'll find your racist. And once you've found your racist, then you get into an argument with them. Challenge their ideas and see. You will then see just how enormously difficult the task before us is. And if you can't change the attitudes of somebody who is close to you, somebody who you care about and who cares about you, if you can't change the attitudes of somebody that close to you, then don't waste your time thinking you're going to change anyone out there. You won't. You know, you're full of shit if you think that. So take up the challenge, go and find, you know, the battle begins at home, folks. Start there and work your way out. That's all I can say.